Look at this sexy new thermoplastic PTFE gasket. Sexy, my rally car's going to like this. 3mm thick. For every 3.3 degrees rise in temperature, your air density goes down by 1%. So this helps. More power. Sorted. People, don't use stick-on mirrors. Waste of time. The water gets in behind and just, yeah, look at this. Just a waste of time. Buy the proper one. You don't have to go OEM. This one was like £8 more for the proper one than this one. Not only that, it was a heated mirror, so this would never be a heated mirror. They're crap. Stay away from them. Buy one of these. Sorted. Look what we got sent to us by one of our viewers. If you remember, I did a video on replacing an engine on a Citroen Jumpy, and on that video I did some fantastic translating from German to English. They sent me this. We're going to enjoy this. A postcard. Won't read that out. Look at this. Lovely. Not sure what's in there. Sweeties, I think. Don't know. But anyway, big thank you. Wiring, more wiring, wiring. Oh, did I mention? Wiring. New tools. I've seen a lot of people use these kind of pliers, and I had to get some, so I got the set. Yeah, handy pliers for taking off, well, all sorts really. Wiper, arm remover, never really needed one, but getting a lot of abuse for not using one. So I got one, and a big thank you to Keith from New Level Auto, who actually sent me these for Christmas, the extra leads we needed for the pulse machine we have. So Keith, thank you very much. And then last but not least is a oil filter remover tool for VAG, and yeah, lovely. Sorted. Before you test your battery, make sure there's no surface charge on it like this one, because this one's going to test okay, but it's not. See what it does. It's tested okay because there's a surface charge on it. Let me get that off and test it again. Now, big difference. That's now red. Let's see what it does. This is why you need to get the surface charge off. As you can see, that's now failed. So new battery needed. Lovely. Sorted. This could have been a very expensive mistake. Got me new clips. And watch this. Just no pressure. They're not springing. So that could have just come off, slid back, bonnet's up. Not good. New clips destroyed. Great.